Alright, here we are back on the job. Donnie D here. And we started installing our tile. This is 12 by 24 and it's rectified. That just means it's cut on a saw and they're very square and sharp on the edges. So you want to make sure that you have no tile sitting higher than the other. When we call that is lippage. So we got the walls flat. I come in here with a straight edge, make sure everything is flat, especially on the first row and everything comes off of that. Same that thing with this row, and then we make sure that we're level on top. So I can show you what I mean, how flat everything is. So this is like a wedge. You can slide across here, and if there's a lip, it'll grab it. Okay. It's flat. So flat install, no lippage. So when everything gets grouted in, it looks pretty much nearly identical to like glass. So very, very flat install. We're using a leveling system to keep the tiles flat because when we do install them, as the mortar dries, it might shrink or pull in or pull out a little bit. And to prevent that, we use a leveling system or a lippage tuning system. There's a couple different terms we use. Essentially, it works like this. It's like a clamp. This goes under the tile, okay? And you put this wedge in between them and it pulls it tight and it holds them together. So that way, when everything cures, it stays where you want it to stay. So on here, we're gonna do the decorative border right above here with the marble pencils top and bottom. And that's where we're at. Tile by tile, before you know it, you have yourself a nice walk-in shower that'll last a lifetime. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you next time.